Okay, here's a quick little vid for you on a era padlock. If you don't have all the flashy tools for opening them, there's another process to do that you can do to open them. So that's what I've made up here, just a key blank. See if I can get a bit of light on that. Yeah, they're going to work. Right. There. Basically, the key blank just cut down, just so it's got the top bit. And there's like a pick that I made. But I cut basically it's a shim, so cut it down. What you do, put it down the back end here. You can feel the spring. You've got the spring on the bolt. Okay, then use this as a pick. So you put the tension on, go through. Now if my hands are covering it, that might be better. Oh, bit of movement there. Bit of movement again. And again. Nope, in the anti-picks, so just start again. Go through them. Quite a big movement there. One there. One there. That could be it. I'll take the tension off. Nope. Sprung back down again. So that is an anti-pick. And again, just move this out a bit. It's awkward in a vise. Right, let's try again. So springing the tension on. First lever. Second one, bit of movement. The only downside of doing it this way is that locking it back up can be a pain. Well, you're not really going to get to do it. Nope, pick again. It's awkward leaning over the camera and doing it as well. Right. Oh, yeah, that's it. See, it hasn't sprung back. Okay, and from there you can give it a little push. Push a bit more, bit more, bit more, and there you go. It's open. So what you're doing is inside here, you can't really see it, need better light. See, inside there, okay, there's a little arm. I'll knock it down. I don't actually have a key for this. There, you see it now. So basically what you're doing, if I can move this at the same time and hold the light there, so you just see it sticking out there. So when this is in here, you're pushing back on that bit there, which you're releasing the bolt back, and that's how you open it. But again, to lock it, yeah, no chance. I hope this is informative to you all. Cheers, bye.